My name is Hemant. I would just like to share the experience of my hair transplant here at Elegance Clinic in Surat. Uh, I've been very stressed. I've been losing my hair from last 5 years. I've been stressing about losing hair and getting bald. And then now I was looking for hair transplant in India. I am from Australia and I did some, were looking online, through the friends and everywhere. And finally, I've been referred by a friend about this clinic. So firstly, I had a phone consultation with Dr. Bhargav, and then I had at clinic consultation with Dr. Ashutosh Shah and Dr. Bhargav both, and they explain me the procedure very well, make me comfortable. They ask me all my question, and then I understood the procedure, and then I have been confident to book here. So I had my surgery. It's been 1 week now. My hair been transplant. Today I'm here for the hair wash. The overall I have been looked after very well, especially Dr. Ashutosh Shah and Bhargav Mehta will be in my contact since day one, and they always taken care of me very well. They are supporting me, and overall my experience is very good at this clinic. I would highly recommend it to anyone who are looking to have any procedure at this clinic. Thank you very much.